Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sync your OneDrive on your computer or PC. To do so, all you have to do is first of all just go on to your Google Chrome browser and search for OneDrive download. To actually sync your Google OneDrive into your PC, you need to download the OneDrive app in your actual Chrome. All you have to do is search for OneDrive and go on to download. From there on, simply download the app. Here you can see that I have already downloaded the app and extension, and after downloading the app or extension, you can see a OneDrive setup.exe. From here, all you have to do is go onto it and run it on your PC. After running on your PC, OneDrive will open up on your screen. From there, all you have to do is go onto your OneDrive, log in into your account, and just finish the setup. After finishing the setup, it will take you to a screen at last where it says sync with your PC or laptop. Here you can see that as I have already completed those setups, and this is a OneDrive personal that has been opened up in my PC. There you can see that all of my OneDrive files and data's documents are on this account, and this is now synced into my computer. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.